Happy Friday, everybody. Thanks so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. My name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. And we're looking at the valid weather fronts for today going through 8 a.m. tomorrow morning as we head into Mother's Day weekend. We can see we have mixed precipitation going on from Seattle and Oregon across to Indiana, parts of Montana, and Wyoming, Utah, and over in Denver. Also over in mid-central to upper Michigan. Now, some of this precipitation could be rain, but it could be mixed with some snow, especially in the higher elevations. Now, we've got this low pressure that's going to be moving across now. That's going to make scattered rain and thunderstorms from portions of Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, moving up into Canada and Toronto and possibly Montreal, New York, parts of New Hampshire, Massachusetts, the western sections, Connecticut, moving down looking like Long Island. You got a chance for some of these thunderstorms, and most of the state of New Jersey and parts of Delaware, moving right on down into Virginia and North Carolina, and down in southern Florida, especially down around Miami. Out in this area around the Keys, watch out today because waterspouts could be prevalent. So, just keep this in mind. It's this unsettled weather, and it's going to be across the northern Rockies and northern plains, and scattered showers, as you can see, and thunderstorms across parts of the central and eastern U.S. will begin to focus in the central plains, the Mississippi and Ohio valleys over this Mother's Day weekend. I will check out severe weather for today and what's coming up in the next couple of days over the weekend, so please stay tuned. We got lots of weather to talk about. For severe weather today, we do have a few strong to severe thunderstorms that are going to be popping up. They should be capable of strong winds and hail, and these should be possible today across the central and high plains, as well as parts of the northern Rockies, northern high plains, and down into Virginia and North Carolina, as you can see. Now, the chance of tornadoes is looking very slim, less than 2%. All of this is going to change over the weekend. The high winds are, as you can see, looking like in Montana, stretching all the way from Wyoming down into western Texas and across parts of central Virginia and North Carolina. This is at 5%. These could be gusty winds. Hopefully, no downdraft winds to cause microbursts, but that is possible also. And so far as hail goes, 5% chance Montana, moving in the same ways, except we have parts of Wyoming, we have parts of western Nebraska, western Kansas, parts of eastern Colorado, the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma, and northeastern New Mexico. And that 5% chance of hail goes on into central to eastern North Carolina. Now, by tomorrow, this is going to change. This is going to move up. As you can see, we're going to move up to a 2, especially for the areas of Kansas. Now, tornado chances are going to go up also, and then by Sunday, as the system moves south, you can see right here, Missouri, western Tennessee, parts of northwestern Mississippi, most of Arizona, central to northern Louisiana, and eastern Texas. It's going to be a 15% chance. It's going to make everything go up more, so please be aware of this. This is just a heads up if you're out and about traveling to go see Mom. Checking out my future radar as we turn it on. This will go through the next 2.5 days to Sunday afternoon. So this is what's happening. Over the next couple of days for this weekend, we have an upper level trough low. It's looking like it's going to move eastward into the western U.S. and push a frontal system across the west ahead of it. Now, These features will lead to precipitation for the northern Rockies into the northern plains, and several inches of snow is expected in the higher elevations, and some light snow amounts could even spread into the lower elevations of the northern plains. Now, given cooler than average temperatures spreading into the northwestern and north central U.S. after a very warm day today across the Rockies, it's going to turn cooler. And on the first front map, it said mixed precipitation. It probably will start out as rain, and as you can see on the radar, it is going to turn into snow. When you move a little farther east, scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected today in the Great Lakes region and mid-Atlantic and northeast as a couple of weak low-pressure systems move across the area, and you could see all of those on the front map earlier also. Now, in terms of temperatures, the temperatures is all going to happen because of a broad upper level troughing over the eastern part of the U.S. It's going to lead to well below normal temperatures. It's going to stay cool, folks, especially in terms of highs and lows. 50s and 60s for the Midwest to the northeast and mid-Atlantic, and that's going to make 10 to 20 degrees below normal through this entire weekend. Now, as mentioned, the temperatures will be quite warm today for the Rockies as well as the desert Southwest and the Four Corners states and the High Plains. You guys can see 80s, above normal temperatures. They should be pushed southward and focus across the Texas-Oklahoma panhandles for Saturday, and then much colder air filters into the north-central U.S. with the trough approaching. So, folks, it's going to stay chilly, especially up and down the eastern seaboard for today, probably through the weekend, then warm up for a day or so, and then we got another cold blast coming. So that's a check of your weather. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you hadn't. Please click that little J7409 picture down in the bottom right-hand corner. Click that bell and then check off all to ensure you get all my latest weather videos. Also, if you have any pictures to share, please click Show More down below the video. Scroll down, you'll find my email address to send them to. We love to get pictures here at J7409 Weather. All the subscribers love to watch them, so if you have any, please don't hesitate to send them to us. We'd love to see them. And you can also find my dear friend Ann Dale Homestead at the Colony that I collaborate with. Her link's right there. You can go check her out too. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Remember, do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.